I'm one of those who like to eat rice with ketchup.
But who am I to judge because I'm eating bread with mustard?
Much worse. I never in my life ate chicken wings.
What? Really?
Never.
But you ate chicken nuggets.
And once I knew what is it, I never wanted to eat it. But I'm very happy to eat this that's going to be made of mushrooms.
What we are going to do here is a flavor bomb of umami, which is the sixth flavor apart from sweet, salty, bitter, sour. What did I miss?
Spicy?
Spicy, right. How could I miss spicy? It's my favorite. Give them a gentle massage.
Wow.
Only a pint of beer is missing.
That's it for today.
Give me a bite with the ketchup.